Hello YouTube. I was just sitting here thinking that I should share this with you. There's a lot of bike builds out there, and I'm doing a bike build right now, and I figured that I can just share this with you, and hopefully you can tune in and watch the finish of it, and then watch pro rider ride it and tell me what he thinks of it. So this is what I got. It is a 2002 Yz250. I've already done quite a bit of things to it. I took it all down to the frame, and it ended up powder coating the frame a Bentley blue. And then a few more things I got powder coated. I got the calipers powder coated, got the triple clamps powder coated, and I got the shock body powder coated too. Then I ended up sending the suspension out to 1355 Motorsports. They are authorized race tech dealer and installer. So if you need some suspension work and you're in the AZ area, give them a holler. But they redid everything on the suspension and resprung it for my weight. And I took the spring down to the same people that powder coated the frame and had them powder coat the spring. And then after that, they had bead blasted the swing arm, and then I sanded and Scotch brighted the swing arm, so it's all nice and pretty. The wheels is a whole set of Tusk impact wheels, billet hubs that I got for my birthday, and straightened the radiators. Went with a new style plastic, a moto seat cover. Renthal twin wall bars, ODI grips, ARC levers, and Lightspeed carbon fiber parts, frame guards, chain guide, caliper guard, rotor guard. And this is pretty much my build going on. The graphics was done by Roos Motorsports, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. So really the only thing that I need to do is probably do the motor now. What I want to do with the motor is, I already got it in pieces. I'm going to get a wrench rabbit kit. I'm going to send the crank off to Crankworks here in Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, and have them balance the crank, and then do the polishing on the transmission so it will shift better. And then I'm going to send the cylinder off to Millennium Technologies, have them replate it, and do a head mod on it. Not gonna port it or nothing, but just so the power band is, intensified, right? So yeah, so this is my project, and hopefully y'all stay tuned and subscribe, and we'll watch this thing get built. So once I do build the motor, I'm gonna go with an FMF factory fatty with a 2.1 titanium silencer. So it'll be blue sticking out the back there. It'll look really, 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 really cool looking. And gold chain and stuff. So yeah, just stick around, and and then of course after this build, I'll probably continue to do some things on my personal bike. Put a new exhaust on it, and then I do have a 1998 CR250 I restored like 2 years ago, but my son blew it up. And I got to, as soon as he gets a job, he can start putting money toward it, and then we'll fix that one up too. But this is the project as we stand right now. So I'll probably end up taking it apart and start getting some more parts for it. I'd say at this point I probably have roughly, what, $3 grand into this bike already, because I got a bunch of OEM parts I have bought. So please stay tuned. This will be a pretty awesome build.